Hi everyone. So this practice is going to be a quick practice when you feel you need an energy boost, okay? So this could be maybe a Monday morning, a Tuesday, maybe a midweek slump, okay? Or maybe you're just wanting to re-kickstart your January goals and you just want a way to kind of pump things up a little bit, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today. My name's Katie and let's meet up on our mats. So meet me in easy seated or Sukhasana. And we're going to start that movement, that pumping with what's called breath of fire, okay? So just interlace your fingers in front of you like that. Stick your thumbs up, okay? Bring your elbows out and your hand in front of your heart, okay? Almost like you've got a ball in there or something. And what we're going to do is we're just going to start pushing our low belly in and we're going to keep our mouth closed. So the air is going to come out of our nose. So we're just doing some forceful exhales, okay? So you want to feel your low belly for a minute. You can feel that breath, okay? If this feels uncomfortable for you, if you just don't like it, don't do it, okay? So let's start here. Let's do some breaths together. All right. Okay, let's do a few more. Maybe change the cross of your feet. Let's do a few more breaths. Okay, let's start pumping. So you're just pushing in your low belly. It's coming out your nose, okay? Your inhales will automatically come back. Don't worry about those. All right. Let's bring our hands to Anjali Mudra, to that space between our eyes, our area of intuition, our area of knowing, and then bring it to our heart. Take your left hand, put it on top of your right knee. Right arm goes behind you. Nice twist here to open things up. You can walk your hand, do a little crawl back if you want a little bit more. And then let's do the other side. So right hand to left knee, left hand behind you, little crawl. And then come back to center. Let's meet up in tabletop, okay? Start moving here, get things rolling. So come tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. That's the alignment. And then let's come onto your forearms. Keep your forearms shoulder width apart, okay? And then bring their palms together. So you've got like a triangle going, okay? And here we're just gonna bring our chin past our fists and then take it all the way back, okay? So getting some movement, some warming up in our joints here. So inhale forward, exhale back. If you want to take your toes together, knees wide, you can go even deeper. You need to come down to your child's, forward and back, okay? Really focus on your breath, getting your breath pumped up, some energy. All right, and then let's take it back to tabletop. We're gonna take our right leg to low lunge position, okay? So knees over ankle. You can tuck your left knee and walk it back. So right leg's up. Imagine you're squeezing your inner thighs together, low bellies in, tailbones down, okay? Let's just take our low lunge here for a moment. And then come down, okay? Take your right leg back. Let's take our left leg up now this time. Again, come to your low lunge, check your stance, and then we'll start building that heat. So squeeze your inner thighs together and then bring your hand down. Let's go ahead and come back to our tabletop. Extend your right foot back, press through your right heel, okay? And then tuck your left toes, just lift yourself all the way up to down dog. Your right foot's gonna be back a little bit more, and then bring yourself back, okay? And then lift up, and then bring yourself back down. So your right foot's always gonna be farther back than your left, okay? Just warming up, building a little strength here. Follow your breath. All right, and then let's bring your right knee back to under your hips. Left foot's going to extend back this time. And then tuck your right toes and then come up. Follow your breath. Beautiful. All right, let's now have both our feet meet each other. So they're both hip width apart and they're both the same distance from our hands. Both of our feet. Okay, press out to your downward facing dog. And then we're gonna just slowly walk our feet to your hands, okay? Take your feet a little bit wider. So a little heel toe step, bend your knees a lot, and we'll come to chair pose here. You can lift your toes, squeeze your inner thighs together. Balancing, pushing everything back, okay? Hands to heart center, breathe, building that heat. Couple more breaths here. And then let's rise up. Reach up, grab onto your right forearm, reach up and over towards the left, press into your left heel. Head looks up under right arm. Low belly's in. And then switch. Grab onto your left forearm, reach over to the right, press into your left foot. Press into your right foot, sorry. No, you're pressing into your left. Press into the same foot of the arm that you have above your head. There we go. And then shake that out. We're gonna step our right foot back to warrior 1 feet, okay? So your right toes are pointing to the upper corner of your mat. Sink in here. So if you look down, you probably can't see your toes because your knees over your ankle. We're gonna bring our arms out in front of us, okay? And then flip your palms up and then imagine you're grabbing onto something and then you're gonna pull it in, but you're gonna follow that with your breath, okay? So we're gonna inhale, exhale out our nose. So same thing when we're doing fire breath. We're just gonna blow it out our nose, so mouth is closed. So inhale up, make a fist, pull it back. Inhale up, make a fist, pull it back. Sinking into your warrior as you do that, okay? Nice active breath work here. All right, and then let's step your right foot. So it's now into warrior 2 feet, okay? So check that the arch of your back foot intersects the heel of your front. Okay. And extend out to a warrior. And then we're gonna reach up, come up onto your left heel. Bring your hands together and then reach over to the right, okay? Really full body stretch, side bend here. And then you're gonna bring it back down and then come up onto your tippy toe as your arms go down. Let's do that again. Come up onto your heel, hands together, reach over. Land your foot, hands back to T-arms, come up onto your tippy toes. One more time. Inhale up, roll it. And then back to your T-arms. All right, bring your back foot up to meet. And then we're gonna send our left foot back so we can come to warrior 1 on this side now, okay? Same thing here, palms out in front of you. Make a fist, pull it in, okay? Find your breath. Get that heat building, detoxing, all that good stuff. All right, and then let's come to our warrior 2 stance. So check your feet. Always check your feet first, okay? Sink in. And then we're gonna roll our arms together. Palms go together. Come up onto your heel and really reach over towards the left, okay? And then we're gonna come back to our warrior 2, arms come up onto your tippy toe. Back over. Almost done, guys. See, it feels good. Get a little movement and get a little heat going here. Tippy toe, lift. And then let's come back over. All right. So bring your feet so they're facing forward. Take a bend in your knees and then find the floor, okay? We're just gonna crawl ourselves to the side here. back and forth. Warm, just firing up those inner thighs here, okay? When you've made yourself all the way to your right foot, take your left hand and put on top of your right foot, and then your right arm's gonna go to the sky. Straighten your right leg. Check that your wrist is over your shoulders. Press your bum back, lift your toes, and then bring it down. Walk yourself over to the left, right hand on top of left. Left arm goes up, straighten your left leg. Left wrist over left shoulder. Bum is back, toes are up. And then come back down to center. Bend your knees, hands to hips, feet to 45. Let's do some goddess squats. Bring your arms up, sink down, and then bring it out. Inhale up, and bring it down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up and down. Couple more here just to build the heat. If you want to add some, you can come up onto a tippy toe on one side. So he's good if you want a little extra calf work, okay? A little more muscle building. I guess sink down first and then lift your heel. Makes it a little nicer. And then let's shake it out, okay? Roll your shoulders. Let's do some shoulder circles. Get the lymphatic system pumping, okay? All right, we're gonna do our final breath work here. So we're gonna inhale our arms up, step wide. So palms are touching above your head, okay? Your feet are wider than hip width, okay? So if you go to hip width, step out just one. Bring your arms up, bend our knees, and then we're gonna exhale it down. So you're just gonna sink into your space, okay? We'll do it a few times together. So inhale up, bend your knees, blow it out your mouth. Inhale up, open your mouth and really just get it all out there. This is called the breath of joy. And really just reset things here, okay? Couple more. All right, and then let's just shake everything out here. Your hands to your heart center. Hope you feel a little bit more energetic, a little bit ready to go. Thank you for practicing with me, and I hope to see you again. Namaste.